Your angels are urging you to remain committed and diligently pursue your goals. You have the chance to realize your dreams in every way possible. Make your expectations and desires for love clear at this time of year. The wishes you express for your better half are always heard by the universe. When requesting something, be specific. Enjoy the lessons you've learned while opening a new chapter in your future, as your love life undergoes a profound shift. Be consistent in the tasks you have already begun for yourself. God is aware of your heart, and you constantly extend love to it without asking for anything in return. Forget what you might have said to someone simply because you were afraid to be honest with them. Never be afraid to speak your mind, but make sure the words are brave rather than fearful. By doing this, you establish yourself clearly right away. Now that you have completed your healing process, it is time for you to spread your success by helping others. Let them hear encouraging words, as this might make them more aware of what is truly important in their lives. Your time has come to understand what is truly valuable in this world. In essence, time is worth money. It's important to look at your life and start adoring everything you do. With all the love you put into them, the things you love doing will eventually pay you back. You need to use today as a starting point to get better and transform into the person you want to be. Remain upbeat because this is a gift from above that will endure any difficulties you may face. Your past cannot be your future, so let it go. Prepare yourself for what is to come. You're about to start a relationship that will give you the happiness you so desperately want. It's time to focus your attention on a different person who can grant your wishes. There's a good chance that you'll meet a new person and fall in love. Never give up, because your true love is also pursuing you. A wonderful, genuine person will soon appear and will assist you in focusing your energy on learning about your soul mission and help you grow into a more fulfilling life.